Now, the case against former State Security Minister Bongani Bongo has been postponed to May. He faces charges of corruption, fraud, theft and money laundering. It's linked to alleged dodgy land deals to the value of over 120 million rand. Well, our reporter Siphamandla Goge was in court. Let's find out just what has happened there. Spa, if you can just quickly update us on what happened in court. We understand you do have Bongani Bongo with you to chat to.
Indeed, we do have Mr. Bongo with us, but let me tell you why the matter has been postponed. The state says it's still in the process of analysis when it comes to the docket. So analysts are still busy analyzing. They will be done by the 26th of March. That's when they anticipate that they will be ready with everything. So the state did put it to court that they need more time to finalize that. But right now, let's speak to Mr. Bongo. Thank you very much for your time. Say another postponement. It was to be expected, but you seem not happy with that.
No, the surprise is that these things happened 11 years ago. So the state has been busy for the past 11 years ago investigating. So they are not finishing their investigation for the past 11 years, and it is a cause for concern. I think it's bordering abusing our rights, because when we were supposed to come here and get a trial, because they should have done this analysis in the 11 years that they have not been doing this. But they are deciding to waste our time, call us again on the 4th of May. But we are going to comply because we respect the rule of law. In Cape Town, it dragged for 3 years. I complied for 3 years, and then the judge dismissed and gave us 174 discharge of the Criminal Procedure Act. And the dark forces are also up. They are saying, no, it's not right. So you can see that they just want to find us guilty at all costs, and they want to abuse us. So we will come on the 4th of May here.
Why would they want to do that, though? Why specifically you? You have said in the past that these charges are politically motivated. Do you maintain the same position even today?
No, these charges are purely politically motivated, and I'm sure even a child on the street can now say that this is just politically motivated.
But who is behind this, and why would they target you? Give us names.
It's the dark forces, the antagonistic forces, which I've told some of your colleagues that when we're done, we're going to expose them.
But why would they come for you specifically?
There's a simple reason that I was given a responsibility of national security of this country. And they think that the sensitive information that we're exposed to may be used against them. So they want to paint a picture to the nation that we are corrupt, we are bribing and so on, and they are trying everything in the book. We're chasing a moving target, but we shall overcome.
There is this debate about the stepping aside rule or policy of the ANC. The guidelines are being taken to the branches of the ANC, but there have been calls for you to step aside pending the finalization of your corruption charges. Are you going to step aside?
The ANC is busy with guidelines around that specific matter. But any guideline or any law that the ANC must take, it must be consistent with the Constitution of the Republic. So the Constitution of the Republic presumes anyone who's accused as innocent until he's found guilty by a competent court of law.
Are you going to step aside?
I'm going to wait for the organizational decisions and I'll take it from there.
It seems as if you've pleaded outside here when we were speaking with you earlier on. You say you are not guilty, you are not corrupt.
As you have seen in Cape Town, and as you have seen, they have woke up the criminals of this world to come and challenge. So because they want their decision at all costs. So I'm not corrupt and I'll never be corrupt. I'm just myself, and as you see me.
Okay, Baba, see you on the 4th of May. Thank you very much for your time. That is former State Security Minister Bongani Bongo. He and together with others have just appeared in court here. The matter has been postponed to the 4th of May. It will be transferred to the regional court here, which is dedicated to commercial crimes cases, or which is dedicated to commercial crimes court.